Hello everyone, today we're comparing two powerful tools from the same team, Dreamflow and FlutterFlow. Both build Flutter apps, but they work in totally different ways. Let's find out which one is right for you. Dreamflow is an AI-powered app builder that turns simple text descriptions into working mobile apps. Just type what you want, like I need a food ordering app with payments, and boom, Dreamflow creates it for you. It builds real Flutter apps, not web apps pretending to be mobile apps. The main advantage is speed and simplicity. You describe your app and Dreamflow instantly creates it. FlutterFlow offers a full no-code development and environment with a visual interface for building apps manually. You get a drag-and-drop interface that lets you build your app without a code. Though you can add custom code if needed, it's more hands-on. You control every detail, every button, and every screen yourself. Dreamflow uses AI to generate initial app designs and structures, while FlutterFlow offers more detailed customization and development options. Dreamflow is ideal for quick prototyping, while FlutterFlow is better for building production-ready apps. Dreamflow focuses on speed and automation, no dragging, no manual setup. FlutterFlow gives you complete creative control. Dreamflow uses a token-based pricing system with a free tier, hobby plan for unlimited projects, and a pro plan with more tokens. FlutterFlow has 5 pricing tiers, starting with a free version, then plans at $30, $70 per month, plus team and enterprise options. Dreamflow wins on speed. It can generate a working app from just a simple prompt in minutes, perfect for testing ideas fast, but there's a catch. Simple apps are easy to generate, but complex workflows and unique algorithms still need a developer. FlutterFlow takes longer to build but gives you away more control. You can fine-tune everything. Very complex enterprise requirements might need additional customization through FlutterFlow or custom development. Here's the cool part. You can edit your Dreamflow app in FlutterFlow, allowing you to make custom changes with the visual dashboard. Start with Dreamflow for speed and polish it in FlutterFlow. Best of both worlds. So, which one wins? It depends on your needs. Choose Dreamflow if you want to test ideas super fast or build simple prototypes. Choose FlutterFlow if you need detailed control and production-ready apps. And honestly, use both together for the ultimate workflow. That's it for today, guys. What tool are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech comparisons, and I'll see you in the next video.